To connect Rocky to ChatGPT-style models in Hermes, use the provider picker instead of manually pasting secrets into a chat. Run Hermes model and choose OpenAI Codex if you want the ChatGPT OAuth path supported by Hermes. The picker will guide the login flow and store credentials locally. If you are using a direct OpenAI API key instead, use Hermes config set OpenAI API key, followed by the key, or put it in the hermes.env file. Then choose the OpenAI API provider and model from Hermes model or a per command flag. For a quick test, run Hermes chat queue and ask a small question. If something fails, run Hermes auth list to inspect stored credentials and Hermes doctor to check the environment. The privacy rule is simple. Never paste API keys into a normal conversation. Put credentials in Hermes auth or .env. Verify with a tiny test and only then use Rocky for real tasks.